Hey guys, it's Casey. Lately, I've been looking like this, so I thought I'd show you everything I do to glow up and feel more confident before I go on a trip. Let's get into the video.
Are you listening? Damn.
I'm going on vacation in 2 days, and I'm just going to show you guys what I do to feel more confident. This is me right now. I'm sweaty from the gym. It is 9 o'clock, and I'm going to go get my eyelashes done. I will show you guys what it looks like after. And yeah, let us get confident and let us glow up. Okay, I'm back home. My eyelashes are done. It was just a little tint and lift. I have like marks on my face still. We're gonna do the next thing on the list, which is, what is the next thing? Okay, I just put in the hair mask. I didn't film it because I'm not trying to film me in the shower, but I just washed my hair with shampoo and conditioner and then I put it in after. I squeeze my hair out as much as I can and then I put it in and just like shave my legs, wash my face, like do everything else. And hopefully that is about 10 minutes and then I wash it out. So now we are going to be doing sun in. I have never really dyed my hair. My friend did highlights once in high school, but that's about it. I get natural highlights in the summer from the salt water and the sun and everything, but obviously right now it's winter, so we're gonna be using some sun in. This is my little trick when I want to brighten my hair in the winter. We're gonna get to it. I just spray till it's like pretty wet. I spray it in my damp hair. And then once I sprayed it in, then I brush it in just to make sure that it's not like, you know, one glob of spray in one area. Sun-in is heat reactant. That's why this works. I thought it was like some UV reaction thing, but it's really just heat. So if you don't want to sit out in the sun, you can literally just spray your head with a blow dryer. And that works just as well. I'm not a hairstylist, so I just kind of do it all over. You'll see. It's not very pretty, but we're just trying to dry it. Sun-in, of course, is gradual, so you're not gonna do it one time and then see a drastic difference, but I do think it adds some highlights into my hair. It just brightens it up so it's not so dark and like muddy. It looks nice when I actually style and dry my hair. We're already looking better. Putting you in my plant. Ah! That didn't work. Another thing I do to glow up is literally chug a lot of water. This is my third or fourth one of these today, so pretty good. Water cures like 99% of problems. It makes your skin clear, it makes me like feel better, just makes your body happy. It's good for a lot of things, but I notice like when I drink a lot, then my skin is clearer. So we gotta stay hydrated. I always try to drink a lot of water anyway, but today I'm gonna try to drink even more than usual. I never actually like do anything to my hair. I usually just let it air dry, so when I blow it out, it looks like nice and straight, so that's nice. I just don't like using heat on my hair, so that's why I don't do it that often. So I will see you tonight, and we're gonna do 3 glow up activities. So let's fast forward to the nighttime. Hello, it is 7:30, and I'm gonna be doing 3 things to glow up. So I have these Crest 3D white strips. I've been using them for a few years now. I try not to use them more than 3 times a year because I'm scared of them ruining my teeth, and some people, if you use them too much, like your teeth turn red if you drink wine, or like brown if you drink coffee, so not trying to be like that, so I only use them like 3 times a year at most, and this is one of them times. I haven't used them in a while. Gonna freshen up the pearly whites. I don't know if you're supposed to brush your teeth before you do it, but I do. hope I got that video.
Recording?
Yeah.
I don't even know where you get it from.
We'll see if my audio picked it up. Okay, so I brushed my teeth. I'm gonna put these on. I have to leave them on for 30 minutes. That's why I'm doing this first before the other two things. Now I'm gonna talk with a lisp for the rest of this night. It's 7:36, so I'm gonna take them off at 8:06. Now, I use men's beard dye. I've been doing this for like 2 years now, I think. Like I said, my hair gets lighter in the summer, so that also means my eyelashes and my eyebrows. That's why I get my eyelashes tinted, and eyebrows I just do myself. She's so cute!
Still have the tag going, baby.
Do a little show. She's styling. Now I'm gonna dye the eyebrows. I use this little angled brush that I use for eyeliner. I'll zoom you in for this part. We're getting up close and personal here. That's scary. I look like sleep deprived. So I'll just kind of draw it in like a normal eyebrow. I've seen people do this and they like make it very neat and perfect and like clean up around the edges and stuff. I kind of just glob it on. I don't know how long I even let this sit. I just kind of look at it, and when it looks dark I take it off. For me, I just have light here and like the ends, so that's really what I'm focusing on. What you do? I'm a dancer. Quick question, are you a Cancer? This is what it looks like. Like I said, I don't do it neat. I just kind of glob it on and then hope for the best. Then I just take one of these, I wet it, and I rub it off. Okay, this is what they're looking like. I still don't have much like hair, but I think that's just because I don't have much hair there. So we're gonna call this good enough. I'm gonna be using this one. I like their brand a lot. I look like the moon emoji. Gonna let this sit for no more than 10 minutes or else I'll burn and die. I'm gonna go wait 8 minutes and I will be back. It has been almost 10 minutes, so now it's time to wash this off. This actually works really well, and I should do this every time. Hopefully it doesn't stain the washcloth though. Well, I don't know if I recommend using the washcloth because I couldn't get it all out, but hopefully it comes off in the wash. It's been half an hour. I usually just like swish my mouth because sometimes there's stuff still stuck. We're looking better. This is my skin. I didn't put moisturizer on yet. Go drink your water, guys. I swear. It does wonders. You know, when characters smile and it's like ding, a little sparkle. Hi, vlog.
Oh, I was gonna say, what did you say? You forgot something? You didn't get it from the...
Hi, vlog. This is the next day. I look crazy again. That's because we went to the gym, but we're still looking beautiful. I got some nice eyebrows. We both got eyelashes, and now we're going to get our nails done. Hopefully, if they can take us. It's 10:48.
I don't know what.
I just got a book for the trip. Let's get to it. Hi. Look, we got our nails did. We got pink for Valentine's Day, and we're not gonna show our toes, but yeah. I got white and Lenore got pink. We're not gonna show our toes for free now. Lenore sells foot pics.
Yeah, that's something somebody wants to pay money for. I have to pay people to look at my feet.
People do, but not yours.
No.
Probably better. Hers are like almost the same, but a little different.
I haven't had my nails colored in a real color in probably 20 years.
I convinced her to try gel for the first time. When I'm going on like water vacations, that's when I like to get gel because they last the best. And regular nail polish chips really quick because I like to be in the water a lot and flail around. Yes. My butt is burning. Pedicure, manicure done. On to the next. I got a pimple in my head, which is really bringing down my glow up factor, but we're gonna pray that it goes away overnight. And the last thing on my list is to self-tan. I always feel much better and I look 10 times better when I'm tan. So we're gonna do a little self-tan because I can't go out into my yard and tan in the snow. I use this brand. I've tried a few different brands, but I like Bondi Sands a lot. It's Australian, so you know I love it. I think I tried it when I was there and I really liked it. I like the smell. I've tried a few brands. I like Jergens, but that's more of like a natural, gradual tan. This is a good one too. This is clear. That's the one negative about these, is like it does stain your sheets. They do turn brown. It comes off for the most part in the wash, but that's the good thing about these, is that they don't stain as much. I will say they do still leave a little bit of brown stain on my sheets. However, this brand is much darker than this one. So we're gonna go over this because I am pasty. I'm not gonna film me putting this on for obvious reasons, but I will tell you what I do. I make sure that this is my last thing to do for the night, which it is. I got everything packed, everything done. It's like 7:30 right now. Showered this morning and I exfoliated in the shower, and then I put on moisturizer. And then I shower right now at night to rinse off the moisturizer and shave. And then I put this on when I get out of the shower, if that makes sense. Excuse me. Oh, also I use this mitt. It's from Loving Tan. I used to use that brand too, but I just thought Bondi Sands was better. And for my face, Tan Luxe, the face drops. Let's get tanned. Okay, I am balded in a towel. Before we get into this, I'm gonna tan my face first. I have a towel on, don't worry. I do this first because you have to like rinse your hands after, or else your hands will look like Cheetos. So you just do a few pumps of your moisturizer, rub that on your face. I do a little bit down my neck, as you usually would put on your moisturizer. Then you struggle to open the bottle. I think I do like 2-ish drops. You don't want to do too many or else you'll be an orange Oompa Loompa. And then you just mix it in with your moisturizer. Make sure you don't miss any spots. And then you rinse your hands. Now that my face is done and I wash my hands, now I'm gonna tan my body. I start usually on my legs, my feet, my toes. Make sure you get like in between the toes. And then I do arms, and you just kind of like rub it like that. This is what it looks like. You just make sure you like don't miss any spots. Make sure you rub it all in, and then I'll have someone come in and do my back for me. I'm gonna go tan my body. I'll be back. I will have whoever is in the vicinity help me.
Garbage man, mailman, anyone.
No, whether it's a roommate, a mother, a boyfriend, I have them help me because you can't really reach your back. But if I'm alone, then you know, you just kind of do what you can do. But I recommend asking someone to help you. I promise I glowed up. I know I still look like a little rat right now, but this is better than what it was. And I still have no makeup on, and my hair isn't done or anything. So my flight is tomorrow. I have to be up at like 5:45. I'm gonna try to go to bed now. It's like 8 o'clock, so gotta go to bed. And I'm gonna be recording the trip, so stay tuned for that video. I love you all so much. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you are not. Turn on the post notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!
I like the toilet paper.
Let me show you guys what you're on right now.
Yes. Nothing like...
This is my tripod. Cute.
That's a bathroom tripod.
My teachers would be so proud.
I know. What about you? I don't go to school. Okay, what you do? I'm a dancer. Quick question. Are you a Cancer? Hell nah. Where you dance at?
I put it with water and I rub it up.
Money, earn, crack money, drug money, bill money, heard they got life for me.